What's up everyone and welcome back to Stance Bros. I'm David and today we're going to be showing you guys the step-by-step process of what a ceramic coating looks like when you book with Stance Bros. Showcasing it on this truck here, and as you can see it has dirt, it has grime, and worst of all it has swirls. So we're going to go step by step other than the check-in form, which we do thoroughly for every vehicle that comes in, starting with the wash and decontamination, polish stage, and then what it looks like when we apply the ceramic coating, and of course the before and after. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Okay, so the very first thing that we do, actually even before the wash, right after we meet you guys, is we do a very thorough check-in form. We look for any dents, any scratches, any damage, any rust. We check the kilometers on the vehicle, and then we do a walk-around video as well, and this just protects you guys as well as us. Okay, so the first thing that we do, or the first part of the wash and decontamination process, is that we wash the wheels first because they're the dirtiest part of the car. So if we don't wash them and we leave them till last, there's potential of whatever is actually on your tire splashing up onto the clean paint that we just washed. We're gonna wash the tires first. First thing we do is we spray it with some water. Then I'm gonna throw on Sidero. Now Sidero is an iron decontamination. It just breaks down all that brake dust, all the iron that can build up inside your rim. We're gonna hit it with a wheel acid. We use 3D's wheel citrus wash, and then we use Big Red from Bloomco, and this is gonna clean your wheels. Next thing that we do is we just hit it with our normal soap just to make sure that every part of the tire gets covered with some soap. And I'm gonna link all the products in the description so you guys can check them out. Okay, so now that we've washed all 4 wheels, we did the other 3 off screen just to save a bit of time here, but we did the exact same process. We're gonna do a decontamination wash to the vehicle, and it's a little bit different than your everyday basic wash when you guys go to the car wash. Basically, when you're driving around, brake dust and other particles can actually get embedded into your paint. And then when we go to polish, if we don't remove them safely, then we're just gonna polish them further into your paint and create a ton of scratches. So we need to safely remove it from your paint using a physical and chemical decontamination process, which I'm gonna showcase right now. Just a quick recap of what we just did is we did the decontamination wash, and you could kind of see me running my hand on the paint every now and then while we were claying it, and this is me feeling for any embedded particles. If you run your hand on your paint, even though it's clean, it feels like sandpaper, that means that you have stuff embedded into your paint that we need to safely remove before any ceramic coating. Right now, yes, I know there's soap sitting on the vehicle. This is Purifica, it's touchless. We leave it for about 10 minutes and it just ensures that everything is removed safely from the paint. Okay, so now that the vehicle is as clean as it's possibly going to get in this lifetime, we're going to move on to the polish stage. Now, if you guys go into another shop in Calgary and they're not doing any kind of polish or any kind of paint correction, that's a huge red flag, and alarm bell should be going off because they're not shaving off a little bit of clear coat to make sure that the coating properly bonds to the paint, meaning that the coating is just going to fail within about 6 months. And that's why coatings get such a bad reputation, because people aren't doing a paint correction and the coating's just failing within 4 to 6 months, and then they have such a bad reputation now. Here at Stance Bros, when you come in, we're gonna have a little bit of a conversation about the goals that you have for the vehicle and go over the steps of the paint correction. This vehicle here just wants a one-step cut, meaning that we're gonna increase the gloss and remove about 70% of the swirls. And then this will ensure proper bond for the coating to the paint. Okay, so now that the vehicle is polished, we're gonna go ahead and spray a dilution of about 60-40 water and alcohol onto the paint. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna get rid of any oils that are left over from the polish. I know we wipe off the polish when we go panel to panel, but it still leaves behind some oils that will prevent the coating from properly bonding. So we're gonna go ahead and we spray it straight on to the paint. And we are just gonna do this one panel with you guys. And what we're looking for is it to lay flat. If it's not laying flat and it's starting to bead like this, that means there's still oil left behind. So we're gonna make sure that we're spraying it right on. Next thing that we do is we don't buff right away. We kind of just spread the coating, or spread the alcohol out amongst the panel. Make sure that we get everything. We can go over the trim as well, just to make sure that we get everything off. And we flip the towel, and we buff it off. We do a little bit of blowing onto it just to make sure no streaks happen. And we do this, we repeat this panel by panel by panel all the way across the car to ensure there's no oil. Okay, so now that the vehicle is properly washed and polished, we're gonna apply the ceramic coating with you guys. We're using Labocosmedica. It's made in Italy since 1965. We only use premium material on all the vehicles that come into here. Now, the reason that we're showcasing on the door and not on the hood is because there's PPF on the hood that we didn't install. So we talked with the client, and if the client does not want ceramic coating on the PPF, which he didn't, we're not going to apply it on there. If we installed the PPF, then yes, this would be going on top of the PPF just to provide some longevity, but we didn't install it, so we're not going to, we didn't install the PPF, so we're not going to install coating onto the PPF. So we're showcasing it on the door here. What we do is we put a little bit onto a microfiber applicator, and then we apply it to the paint. Now we're gonna do the entire panel. This coating allows us to do the entire panel. This is a 4-year coating from Labocosmedica. We're gonna apply it like this, overlapping each little stroke. And if I missed, I just go back up and get it. And we're gonna go from the top to bottom, and then we're gonna crisscross it. Now you wanna be very careful not to get this on any trim. I'm gonna go back up, down just like this, just to ensure we didn't miss anything. And we're gonna do the same thing right here. And that right there, go down, all the way back up. And this ensures that we cover the entire door from top to bottom. All the little tiny things like in between the mirror and everything we get later. We're just going for the main part of the door right now. So now that the coating is on the door, you can kind of see these streaks going along like this. Now typically you don't want to leave it for too long. If somebody does leave it for too long, you're going to get something called a high spot. And it's when they properly didn't put down the coating, and it will ruin your paint if left for too long. So we're going to ensure, really ensure that we get everything off. And we do that by buffing it off like this. And then what's left behind is gloss and protection for your paint. And as I'm wiping it, I can feel how smooth the paint is. That will help with water beading and that self-cleaning effect. Careful with the towel. Okay, with the other side now. And I'm just gonna quickly wipe the adjacent panels just to ensure that I didn't accidentally spread it over there. And man, you can feel the difference between smooth and not smooth. Now typically, you would let this coating dry and cure overnight, but with Labocosmedica's patented technology, it only takes an hour to cure. So with most of our packages, the ceramic coating is done in the same day. Whereas other shops, it's done within maybe 1 to 2 days. Okay, now that we've let the truck fully cure, we're gonna go ahead and dump some water on there. Now we've left this panel untreated and we only coated this panel here. So remember, this panel was ceramic coated, this panel wasn't. And we did that because we're gonna go ahead, dump some water on there, just to show you guys the difference between what having ceramic coatings like and not having ceramic coating is. Now, we're not just dumping any clean water on there. We actually saved the dirty water from when we washed the truck. Now, if you guys can remember, this truck was absolutely filthy. So we're actually putting the coating to the test. We're not just dumping clean water on there. We're showcasing real life event because it's not just dirt and grime inside that bucket. It's also leftover iron buildup that was on the truck in the first place that we had to safely remove. Now, normally this iron will clog a coating, but we're gonna showcase that our coatings are way better than what you guys are getting or what you guys might be used to on the market. Now you guys can see how this water is staying on the truck and this water just all beaded off. Do it again. Beads. This one just stays on the truck. Now when this dries, yeah, there's gonna be like a tiniest bit of dirt on your truck. But then when this dries, there's gonna be dirt all over this panel. So this really comes into play with the self-cleaning properties of the coating. And this is what it's gonna be like on your entire vehicle after you get it ceramic coated. Less cleaning, easier maintenance, way easier to wash, way easier to dry. And really, all you'd really need to do now is just dry this off and it's still clean. Should you buy a ceramic coating? 100%. Not only does it help you retain resale value by up to 10%, but it adds insane gloss, it helps your vehicle stay cleaner for longer, self-cleans, and it helps provide resistance against surface scratches and etching of the paint. And just because we use an Italian ceramic coating does not mean you need a Ferrari or other luxury car to get this done, but it does mean we're gonna pamper your car like one. Till next time, I'll see you guys on the next detail.